what I'm saying for this song. Alright. Green, you? No! What does green mean? When you see the light, if I count, what does that mean? Go! And how about red light means? Stop, right? So we need the camera. So who can find, where's the camera? Camera, go. Not like that, almost, kind of like this. It looks like a square. Camera, like, go. Camera. No. There's the camera. Here's the camera. So this can see color. This is for looking at color. Yeah, we're gonna program it. And Gati, you'll help too. All right. And Gati, I need you to find a red block and a green block. Okay. Let Gati do it. Okay. Red block. Red block. All right. Good. All right. Start. Turn the motor on. A and B. Two motors. Okay. And then speed. Come out. 100%. 100%. All right. And then. Oh, you see? Can you change that to 100? 100. Okay? That's speed. Pump out. Yeah, 100%. All right. Let's see. Move. Start moving. Right? So pick that one. Start moving. So start moving. On the green line. So when color is green, start moving forward, right? Yeah. Forward. Yeah, that one. Okay, keep going. So can you put that? Put one in the white. Everything is There you go. Good. All right, Gati. And then, Gati, can you put this in the front? Okay, can you stick this in here? No, we're gonna put this in here. Push! Push! Oh, man. I put the camera on the wrong side. And then how do we make it stop? Make it stop! Make it stop!